Hello people, welcome back to this channel. Today we will learn about the Google Sheet application on mobile phone, and I would like to show you the way how you can remove the view only format on the documents. So here I already prepared the documents, so this document is in the view only, so whenever you type into the cells there will be no access to edit this cells. So there will be also information about this format of documents after the title of this documents. So if you want to remove this view only format, you can just do this instead. Go click this three small dot and click request edit access. So the application will send into the owner of this document about your a request to have an access to edit this documents. If your request is being approved now, you can edit this document. But then if your request is being rejected, you can just do this instead. Go click the share and export and make a copy, and then the application will copy these documents for you, the whole documents, and then you just need to find the specific sheets that you want to work with here, and you can just edit into the cells that you want to edit. Now you're done. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this a lot, and let's meet again into other tutorial.